stop procrastinating, and finally start your YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Hey there, and welcome back to Life with Laughter. I'm going to get right into this video. Number one is to just do it. Stop waiting, stop making excuses, and just do it. When I started my YouTube channel, I had a broken foot. I have 6 kids, I'm married, I have a husband, I have a lot of responsibilities, but I decided to just set down all my excuses and just to go for it and do it. So the best advice I can give you is just do it. Post a video. Just post it, sis. Just do it. So that's number one. Tip number 2 is use what you got. You may not have the best phone, the phone that Natural 85 has, or your favorite YouTubers, but you have something. If you have an old camera, you have an old phone, use what you got. The great thing about is starting with what you have is that you'll be able to track your growth, and people who subscribe to your channel will be able to do the same. They'll see where you came from. There's nothing like looking back and seeing the progress that you made. Tip number 3, fake it till you make it. Confidence is the most beautiful asset that you can have. So whatever you're going to talk about, choose something that you feel confident in and comfortable in, and do it, sis. Make a nice pretty background. Be creative. Use what you have. You don't have to go out and spend a fortune. Use curtains. Put up a pretty curtain in the background. Yeah, put on a pretty shirt. Do your face nice and be confident in what you are doing. Fake it until you get there, and nobody got to know the difference. The beautiful thing about your own YouTube channel is you get to let people into your world to see what you want them to see. So it's your channel. Even if you mess up, you can edit that out. So just do it. Just start it. Fake it till you make it, and use what you got. So go ahead and comment and tell me what kind of YouTube channel you're going to be starting, and let's celebrate together, support each other. Go ahead and like, subscribe to this channel, and until next time, I love you. You're amazing. Keep doing awesome things. With a purpose.